Yo, what it do is Ed Longshoreman checking in on this good morning. Yeah, boy, I feel full of refresh. They been grinding me up these last few weeks, man. Been having work coming in non-stop. I need these few days off anyway. See that California, they about to be working. And I think, yeah, they just opened their port back up not too long ago. And then I seen President Joe Biden. He was they talking about they about to work 7 days a week, 24/7. Good Lord have mercy. Them boys about to make some money. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Y'all gonna get to provide for your family in the major way. It's all good. But they always say all money ain't good money. And what I mean by that, it gonna come to your health. You're gonna have some guys, they went usually used to working like that, and you know, some of these guys they gonna try to work everything up the river. They gonna try to get it in. They gonna try to work everything they can do, every shift. They gonna work day shift, night shift, and then go back that morning and get off in time. They gonna go back. Like that's how it happens down here. Like I gotta work day, night. We have hiring dealings. Like if they can't find anybody, sometimes they'll give you a call. And like it got bad before, like that before. A couple times. They can't find a work. You done work you a double, whatever. And sometimes we can't find the men. And they end up calling you. They called me before. I look at the phone like, what? Man, I just worked all night. You think I'm about to go back? Oh no, I'm tired too. Y'all done grind me up, or I might have me a rough night. And y'all call me think I'm about to go back to work. Shit, I'm about to just look at that phone like, nah, I ain't gonna do it. But yeah, it's gonna be like that in California though. I'm telling y'all, young longshoremen, the old heads too. Y'all need to do your shift or whatever your body can withstand and go home, because a lot of injuries and stuff, deaths happen when people try to work all those hours and stuff. Your body and your mind needs time to rest, and when you don't do that, that's when things happen, and that's not a good thing. Yeah, y'all gonna be popping 24/7, but if that's the case, y'all need to hire some more people. I'm hearing that they have what it's called. They got a lottery, and they only pick so many people so many years. I'm like, what? That don't even make sense. How can y'all pick people every so many years? Yeah, man, they pick every people so many years. Somebody told me they contacted ILA, and they said they haven't picked nobody since 2017. So they pick a handful of people. That's crazy. Now, if your port's short of everything, y'all need to just go ahead and cancel that right there. Cancel that. If y'all short of men, short of workers and stuff, hire people. Put it out make an ad or something out, put it on TV or put an ad out, or spread the word of mouth. You know what I'm saying? Y'all don't have to worry about being short ever. It's plenty of people that don't know about this type of work or job, and they want to work and they want to make money. Like they seen the videos and stuff, they want to know how to get on at such and such port. I can only do so much. I can tell you what you're gonna need a tweet card, and that's about it for real, because like I said, I be telling people every union hires different. Down here, they let so many people in every so many months. We don't do like they do in LA, a lottery pick and hope they pull your name out. What? Oh no, hell no. So down here, like I was saying, every so many months they it's like an automated number. They'll call and let us know. Sometimes I can ask somebody, the hiring delegate, hey, when they gonna start processing people? We're gonna do a such and such date. So I let my people know, hey, make sure you have your money by such and such, and then make sure you clean, don't come dirty and all that, cause you done paid your money and take a physical, you end up feeling you gonna be looking crazy out here, not me. But yeah, man, LA workers, dock workers out there, my longshoremen brothers and sisters, just take y'all time out there, man. The work is gonna be there. So you can drop dead today or tomorrow, and them boats still gonna keep coming in. They're not gonna stop all these, let's go ahead and hold a visual, such and such. They died, whatever. No, they're not gonna do that. They might say your name in their prayer, whatever. Everybody bow their heads, and they gone. and work continues. You know what I'm saying? Y'all just take y'all time and, you know what I'm saying, rest your mind and body. Don't overwork yourself. When you overwork yourself, sometimes you're not thinking straight. You get sleepy and tired. You might run into something, anything, man. You know, just be careful out there. Anyway, man, that's my thoughts about that. I'm Eric the Longshoreman. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace. Chick-fil-A, call my name. Holla.